YouTube channel.
Welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to my channel.
Welcome back to my channel.
Yeah!
Can you do a better introduction?
Fine. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna be doing the boxing challenge. I'm here with my older brother Say, and here with my younger brother Monet. Before you watch the video, make sure you subscribe, like, and give it a big thumbs up. And
what? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Lala.
Close your eyes. Sarah, I swear, if you cheat, try not to.
Did you just call me Sarah? Oh, Sarah. Dude.
So who's gonna go first?
Better not be an animal.
What are you gonna put in there?
Maybe a chick. You're wasting my time. Time is gold. Oh.
Say, can you see?
Why are you looking inside? Okay, don't.
No.
Why is it?
Why the frick is it moving?
Stop. Move.
Stop!
Tom, hush, little boy.
What is that?
What is it?
Oh no! Ah!
Hey buddy, chill, it's moving.
It's so mushy!
Hey.
I think I have an idea what that
Don't
is.
say it though.
Bigger. Stop! Stop!
I
Yeah.
don't know what that is. I feel like
You
know.
couldn't come out with something.
No, not
better.
really, no.
Okay, 3.
Wait, okay.
3, 2, 1, go.
One
Tissue.
napkin.
Same thing, I guess.
Yeah.
Tissue.
Ha!
You suck. Yeah, you're looking out.
I'm not!
Don't look again, okay?
I'm not looking.
I felt your present. Hey, what do you guys call a Russian?
I wonder what he's gonna get.
Should have moved
I'm
it.
kinda scared.
Stop.
I know exactly. Nah, you can do better than that.
Make sure you squeeze it.
It's so obvious. You guys have the brain cells of a
2, 1, go.
sock.
No, it's a cloth.
Okay.
It's a cloth.
Okay, you don't get a point.
You're
It's
an
a sock.
idiot, bro.
By the way, a sock that's 20 years old. It smells.
That's my sock.
What?
Russian sleep experiment.
What is wrong with you? So we're not gonna be doing box anymore. We're gonna be doing, someone's gonna be putting like whatever food they want and we have to eat it and guess what it is.
Hey, check out this freaking backflip though.
And if you don't guess what it is, what's the consequence?
Death.
Okay, Moni's gonna pick the food.
I got you, file. Let's get wicked.
Did he just open the fridge?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
How are you? Something.
Do you smell anything?
Somebody open.
Open!
That's not bad.
You can't do that. Oh, you'll get disqualified.
Somebody open.
Huh.
Any guesses?
Lala. I'm guessing honey mustard.
I get the point because I swallowed it.
You
That
have to
was-
guess it.
guess it.
No, you have to guess it. No cheating. No one gets to
So I
play.
swallowed it for nothing.
Yeah, guess it.
Raw and sriracha. I don't know.
Okay, what is it?
What is
I said honey mustard.
It is, drum roll please, Italian dressing.
What the frick is that?
I don't know, Italian dressing.
I'm next. Okay, are both of your eyes closed?
Oh no! I'm privileged.
Come on. Open.
Man, dude,
Come
get it to him
on.
first.
Open. You can't say what it is. Two, one,
no.
go.
Peas?
I don't know, yeah, I don't even know.
Come on.
I said peas.
No.
It's a fruit.
No, it's not. It's good actually. It's not bad.
Oh my god, you guys are both idiots. What do I always say?
Avocado?
Avocado?
Avocado, sponsor me! Wait, that smells like.
Open up.
I know this. Me first.
Dad first.
I think I know what this is. Me.
Alright, you're excited, huh? I wouldn't be excited.
I know what it is. Give me it.
Jalapeno.
Ooh, yeah.
Jalapeno. I got that point.
My secret recipe.
Yeah, you can't mix anything.
I'm not mixing.
You can't mix anything.
I'm not.
Okay. Give it.
Just give it to me.
Open.
Is there a plate? Because I feel like I'm gonna throw it out.
No, you won't. Open.
Please be a Snicker. Okay. Sriracha with a Snicker bar. I'm picking it up.
Now, since we're all tied, we have 1 point. Mom is gonna pick something, and whoever gets it right from us 3 is the winner. I'm suffocating. I feel like you guys are all cheating.
Taylor.
Hey,
Now, push the leg.
hey. Close your eye. Open your mouth.
Quickly.
Quickly.
Wait, she said to open her mouth.
Wait, open our eyes?
No, close your eyes. Open your mouth. Yeah. Open your mouth. Yeah. 1, 2, and 3.
Bread.
No.
Bread and onion.
Is he okay?
She's crying. It's so funny.
I won. I
still taste it. I still taste it. This is so funny.
Can you tell the audience how you feel?
You lost too.
I guessed the bread, just like the sriracha one.
He said bread only, but he didn't
I
say
know, I said
onions.
onions. I was the second to say onion.
I thought it was lettuce.
Lettuce.
What they're gonna do to me, they're gonna put my head in cold water, then they're gonna put my head in flour.
It's water, not a nuclear bomb.
Dip. Alright, onion.
Wait, is there onions in this?
Flour, I meant.
Is there onions in this?
That'd be hilarious. Onion power activate.
That's it.
You look like Casper.
Why? Okay,
Something different. Okay.
get the garlic.
So they're pretty much fighting
Disagreement.
on who gets the flour again. So like who gets the water.
It was at this moment that she knew. She fucked up.
Someone stop these hooligans!
Mom just said she peed. Look at him walking away with shame. If you guys like this video, give it a big I love you guys. Bye.